How to fix Telegram backup issues. If your Telegram backups are not working, start by checking your internet connection because backups require stable connectivity. Next, ensure you have enough cloud storage space on Telegram and on your device if backing up locally. On mobile, make sure Telegram has permission to access storage. You can check this in your phone's app permission settings. If backups still fail, try clearing the Telegram's cache from settings of your mobile, then initiate the backup again. Regularly update Telegram to benefit from improvements in backup reliability. Have you faced backup problems? Let me know what worked for you in the comments below. Keeping backups functional is key to protecting your chat history. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.